Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Jamie?
Today we're making a drink called the Bronx.
The Bronx. What goes into a Bronx?
The Bronx. Okay, well,
The Bronx.
I don't have my shaker right now, so I'm using my Yeti.
Yeti.
My Yeti ice, you're going to put...
Calling an audible is what you're doing, right?
We're going to put 1.5 ounces gin.
Okay.
Then we're going to put three quarters of an ounce of Sweet Vermouth.
Sweet Vermouth, 3/4?
Yeah.
All right.
We're going to go 1/2 ounce of just your regular Dry Vermouth.
Okay.
Get mine open.
1/2 ounce of that, okay.
You're going to do 1 ounce of orange juice.
1 ounce of orange juice.
And
okay.
1 dash of orange bitters if you have it.
Okay. Just 1 dash.
There you go. So now you're going to go and take that, shake it on ice.
Okay.
The best you can, or best I can. Putting that into your martini glass.
That sweet vermouth makes it a little muddy looking.
A little darker, yeah.
Yeah. Got a little splashback on that one.
Garnish with an orange.
Okay, I've got the largest garnish, proportionate to glass, that there's ever been on this show. All right, there's the Bronx.
The Bronx. Give it a try. That's not bad.
I really like that.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I was hoping this was going to be an episode where I could make some really, bad remarks about the drink, but not this one. This is a good one.
Good. Yeah, it's really light.
Yeah.
Very drinkable.
Mm-hmm.
Good drink. Give it a try.
The Bronx.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone.